Today I've got another recipe which is plantain flour. We'll be cooking with raw peanut. Before we start this recipe, I would request you to please kindly like this video and in the comment write if you like this wonderful recipe. So let's start this raw banana plantain flour. I've cut it into small pieces. All the hard part has been removed. I am putting in a cooktop container or the in which it can be cooked on a induction cooktop. So I put a little on potato dice also. I'll add little salt, turmeric, and mix it with a spoon so that the seasoning is everywhere in the liquid. So I'm put when it start boiling. After boiling for 10 minutes, I'll drain in a colander and I have made paste of ginger and green chili cut into segment. I put a little oil, fry the raw peanut till it makes crackle or makes sound and it become little colored. When it done, we'll remove. I have added nigella seeds and green chili and a bay leaf cut into 1 by 2. I'm adding the boiled plantain flour with potato, boiled potato, allowing it to be stir fried, and we'll cook this total procedure of making this recipe for 10 to 12 minutes. I've added little turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger paste, and stir it for a while, and we'll cover and cook in between, and again remove the lid, and I'll put little seasoning with sugar and stir it. This is almost done. Before removing, we'll put in a small serving dish. I've added little oil, little salt, turmeric, and fry the eggs. When this color, we'll remove it. Cumin seeds in the oil, onion, saute it for a while. When it is in this color, we'll add tomato and green chili paste, ginger paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, spicy red chili powder, salt, turmeric. Stir it with little water so that it doesn't burn. When it dries up, I'll add little potato which is already boiled. Stir it for some more time and put water. This is for the lunch. We'll put little extra water so that we can eat it with the rice. I'll put the lid. When it starts boiling, we'll put the eggs and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. See how beautiful that it is looking. I'll put little garam masala and remove in a container. So presentation, we'll put in a brass thali, put a egg curry in a bowl, brass bowl, steaming rice in a pre-plated and plantain banana flour, which is very tasty. This is authentic Bengali cooking and we are having this for the lunch. Please like, share and subscribe my new channel Jai Sri Kadai Katha English channel. We'll see you in another video in another recipes of wartime series. Bye bye for now.